Anong gusto mo?
Ikaw lang. Ikaw ang bubuo.
I can't give you all of me all the time.
Kung mahal mo ako, kakayanin mo yun. Kasi ako kaya ko eh.
I'm trying.
Pero kulang pa rin eh.
Kulang pa na mahal kita.
Kulang pa. Kasi pakiramdam ko, mas mahal kita.
Siguro konting iyak pa.
Don't you think it's so unfair? Mahal kita. Pero paano kung di ko kaya yung kaya mo? I'm doing my best. I'm giving you my best. And I'm sorry if it's not good enough for you. I'm sorry if I'm not good enough for you.
Mahal pa rin